Jeff, how you doing, dude? So this is Nusi, right? You'll have logged in. Once you're in here, you could go to templates. Once you're in here, you could go to go to general consulting template, okay? And you know what you probably want to do, to be honest with you, is you go to SEO template, right? And yeah, this is the one. Yeah, cool. So, or proposals. Edit proposal. So that you can just, you're seeing how, getting a sense of cool. Where is it? Very cool. Save section. Cool. Save. Alright, fine. So then what you do is you can go to templates, go to SEO template, go to create a proposal from this template, right? And then it could be like, I don't know, Nick Consulting, whatever. You can just go in and start modifying bits, dude, to be honest with you, as you can see what I mean. And basically you could be like, you dump in the traditional consulting, and basically the due diligence starts from here. Videos describing our process, evidence of our success, additional services, and you could probably maybe delete the additional services bit. In conclusion, yeah, that's cool. What people are saying about us, which needs updating, our achievements and awards. So you can probably see. But yeah, it's fairly easy to use, dude. That is really, and then once it's done, right, you could just go into preview proposal, and then you go to edit proposal. No, sorry, go to overview, and then look at me, it's there. Look, that is literally the proposal creation process, and then it probably should say, yeah, look, Nick Consulting. Do you see? And then it looks like super professional. So that makes sense. Maybe if you've got any questions, let me know.